Craig, thanks a lot. We like it. Now to the latest in the coronavirus pandemic. Florida has officially reached a milestone only few other states have. More than 1 million COVID-19 cases since the beginning of this pandemic.
Today, the state added more than 8,800 cases and 82 additional deaths. More than 2,900 of those cases were reported in South Florida, with another 5 deaths in Miami-Dade and Monroe counties. And as COVID-19 cases rise, South Floridians continue to wait for hours to get tests. Chopper 4 over Hard Rock Stadium again today, where officials reported wait times of about 90 minutes. This comes as health experts warn the Thanksgiving holiday could have been a super spreader event. And as we wait for a coronavirus vaccine to arrive, Governor Ron DeSantis made it very clear that schools in Florida will remain open.
He made those comments during a news conference yesterday, calling the move to shut down schools one of the biggest blunders in American history. CBS 4's Joan Murray has what that means for local schools should numbers here continue to go up.
With the COVID rate rising, there's a big concern what impact it will have on public schools here in South Florida, but there's really no clear answer. Public schools have been back for optional in-person learning since October, and here are the COVID numbers. In Miami-Dade, there have been 1,232 cases, 419 employees, and 813 students. In the Broward school system, there have been 743 cases, 377 employees, and 366 students. Miami-Dade's teachers union says the district needs to pay attention to the numbers.
We shut school down in March when the percent was less than 3%. Now we're running 9 and 10% on a regular basis, yet schools are wide open.
Martika de los Reyes is a high school biology teacher. She's also a parent with a background in public health, and she believes Miami-Dade should switch to all online learning.
Until there's a vaccine, or until restaurants, salons, and every other industry, public industry, is contact tracing like my administration has to do. If my administration spends the predominant, all the hours in their day figuring out who sat with who at lunch, you should see the seating charts.
We also spoke to Broward High School teacher Christiane Gunn. She teaches from home and is worried about the post-Thanksgiving COVID numbers.
You have people who may be at medium risk because they themselves don't have an ailment or it's not considered severe enough. But if you have a massive increase of students in the next couple of weeks, we'll just be a breeding ground for the spread of disease.
The Broward Teachers Union head believes all teachers and students should get a COVID test.
We don't really know if we have people walking, kids, other staff members walking amongst us that may possibly have COVID because they haven't been tested.
As we saw before schools returned for in-person learning in October, there was a lot of debate, and there's likely to be more debate when school gets back to class in January 2021. In Pembroke Pines, Joan Murray, CBS 4 News.